One of the most exciting times in the garden is autumn, and when I hear the word autumn, all I can think about is winter bulbs. Yep, you plant them now, they grow and they flower late winter, early spring. From irises to ixias, tritonias, beautiful hyacinths. It just goes on and on. And of course, one of the epitomes of all winter flowering bulbs is the daffodil. For me, it's one of the easiest things that anybody can do in the garden. So what do I do with these babies? Let's show you how to plant them. I filled up a lovely terracotta pot just to 6 centimeters from the top. The reason why I'm doing that is so that I can place my bulbs onto the soil to actually see where they are. I'm happy that they are evenly spaced apart. I take my potting soil, cover up these little babies, firm it down. In terms of watering, you want to give your bulbs a good watering once or twice a week. That is it. And rather a good deep watering around the plant, into the pots, water it until the water drains out the base. When planting in the ground, follow exactly the same principles as planting in a container. The only change would be to add some compost into the soil, dig that well into the soil, as well as some bone meal. The rest, follow the instructions exactly as it is on the packet. If you enjoyed this clip, like it, share it, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more gardening tips.